Golden fried chicken sandwich.
Yeah, it's got that spicy or truffle sauce, lettuce, tomatoes, and well.
Everything on it, please.
Yeah. Try it first.
There's a golden and the kids hamburger with cheese and ketchup with fries and apple juice.
Yep.
13.76.
Thank you. Everybody's got their gloves and masks and all that stuff.
Here's an apple juice.
Thank you.
And here you go.
Thank you so much.
You have a wonderful day.
Thanks, you too. Everybody says Chick-fil-A versus Popeyes. Chick-fil-A versus Popeyes. Well, I'm going to tell you something. The best chicken sandwich in the fast food industry is owned and made by Habit Burger. It's not Chick-fil-A. It's not Popeyes. It's chicken sandwich from Habit Burger. The best chicken sandwich. Man, this is delicious. The best chicken sandwich by far. Way better than Popeyes. Way better than Chick-fil-A. Now remember the long line at Popeyes. I would just go across the street and get one of these Habit chicken sandwiches, thinking all these people are waiting 50 cars deep. It took me 2 seconds to get this sandwich. And it's twice the size. It's just spicy enough. It's not overwhelmingly spicy where you can't taste the chicken. Just a little kick to it to keep you, to make you want to take another bite. It's not trying to mask the chicken. It's trying to improve the taste. Great sandwich, man. It was like $6.29 plus tax, I believe. Some people say, oh, it's too big for me. It's too big of a sandwich for me. I think it's just the right size. I don't have to get two, you know. I buy one sandwich and I'm done with it. That's it for the Habit Burger chicken sandwich. It's excellent. Do yourself a favor. Go down to Habit Burger. Get yourself a chicken sandwich. You won't regret it. Peace out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.